The Ploise Denture Dome delivers an outstanding denture care experience that feels thoughtfully designed for anyone who values cleanliness, comfort, and confidence as part of their everyday life. From the very first use, it becomes clear that this product goes far beyond basic cleaning, offering a deep, consistent, and reassuring level of hygiene that traditional methods simply struggle to achieve. Dentures come out feeling remarkably fresh, smooth, and revitalized, with noticeable removal of buildup, residue, and lingering odors that can accumulate over time. What makes the experience especially satisfying is the ease of use. There's no aggressive scrubbing, no complicated steps, and no harsh chemicals involved. Just a simple, effective process that delivers reliable results every single day. Over continued use, dentures maintain a cleaner appearance and a more comfortable fit, helping to reduce irritation while enhancing overall wearability throughout long hours. The sense of confidence it brings is invaluable. Knowing your dentures are thoroughly cleaned allows you to focus on daily interactions without concern, whether in professional settings or social gatherings. The device itself feels sturdy, modern, and purpose-built, giving a strong impression of durability and long-term reliability, while its compact design fits seamlessly into a daily routine. Users often find that dentures not only stay cleaner longer, but also retain their quality over time, which adds to the feeling that this is a smart investment rather than just a convenience product. There's also a reassuring peace of mind that comes with consistent hygiene, eliminating worries about unseen bacteria or gradual buildup that can affect comfort and confidence. Overall, the Denture Dome by Ploise transforms denture maintenance into a simple yet premium experience, delivering professional-level cleanliness, lasting freshness, and everyday reassurance that make it feel like an essential part of modern denture care rather than an optional accessory.